Hello, welcome back to the channel. I just want to thank all you guys that have been placing your AMSOIL orders through bsynthetics.com. There's different levels of membership to AMSOIL, and if you sign up through me, yeah, I do make a little commission. Even if you don't sign up as a preferred customer, I still make a commission. You could just be a consumer purchaser, which you don't sign up as a preferred customer. You pay a little bit more, or you become a preferred customer, and that's the ticket for you guys. Basically, you're gonna save money on your purchases, and you're gonna get perks as well. And sometimes you get shipping discounts and what have you. So definitely check that out. If you're interested in becoming a dealer, that's the next level up. That's basically what I am. And you don't even have to sell anything, but your discounts are greater, and you're gonna get more of a benefit. You're gonna get more of a benefit. So maybe at some point I'll do a video on the explanation of different levels with AMSOIL, whether you want to become a preferred customer or you can become a dealer. And if you have a shop, you can become a retailer. So let me know. I got a few retail shops, as you guys know. Chester County Transmissions. We got Dirty Diesels. I'm working on the JP shop. I also have a shop way out in California that is a retailer through me. So definitely check that out. It can be beneficial. It can give you some decent residual income. Today we're finally taking Heather to get her MRI. So hopefully we can get some answers for what's going on with her. It's been a saga, man. She's been an up and down roller coaster, like feeling okay somewhat, but then she's got to take these meds. It's a nerve blocker, makes her drowsy. So today we're finally going to get the MRI. Hopefully we're going to get some answers here soon. And then I'm going to install something in her truck today. Very simple install. There she is. Look at you in all your glory.
I have to get myself out of the truck.
We're getting your MRI today. We're going to get some answers finally. Oh, what do you got there? What is that? What's down in there?
That's my locker down seat.
Now we can move back. Would you just look at it, guys?
Aww. That thing gets used daily.
On the daily.
On the daily.
We're back from Heddy's MRI. She's cleaning up her Ram Rebel. She doesn't want to look bad on camera, but I caught her cleaning it. Real quick, guys, I know I sort of abruptly ended the last video. That's why I want to put out a real quick video for you guys today. I wanted to show you guys. We ran into some issues unrelated to the video at Dirty Diesels, and it just wasn't the right time to really go over anything else in there. They had to handle some business outside the shop, so I didn't really get a chance to explain everything. And it looks like I'm going to need a stool so I can put the camera down there. I got a solution for this loom. We actually went with that Dura Wrap. I've been dealing with a really cool company called WireCare. They sell the Dura Wrap, and they've been sending me sample after sample after sample. We finally narrowed it down to, I think it's either going to be a 4-inch or 4.5 inch Dura Wrap, 5 foot of it. So as soon as I get that in, that's going to go in. We also have some thermo wrap to go around this area underneath the Dura Wrap to protect everything, even though this turbo blanket keeps things nice and cool. Well, it's warm, but it's not hot. You guys know what I mean. So as you can see, there's where the 90 comes out of the back of the breather of the D&J valve cover. We removed the little fitting that D&J has for the valve cover. Is basically a push-on connection for that rubber hose, which isn't that pretty. We opted for the nylon braided hose from Vibrant Performance. And then there's an adapter that we got through Vibrant that actually connects into there. And I'll have all that information in the video description, but that's where that connects into the actual breather of the D&J valve cover. And then you put the 90 on there and it connects to the hose. And I'll show you what we got going on underneath. So here's what we got going on underneath. We actually use some rivet nuts. Drill 2 holes, use the rivet nuts, put the bolts in there to mount the bracket to the frame of the truck. I originally wanted to do it up further, but there's no way to get a drill in there to do it. Even with the angle drill, we weren't able to fit the angle drill in there. So here's your inlet, and again, that's that 90. And then we have the adapter from Mishimoto that connects into it taking it down to a 12 AN fitting. And then right now, because we're missing the other Mishimoto adapter, we just have the push connector that came with the Mishimoto high flow catch can, just airing out to the atmosphere. And as you can see, nothing's leaking out of it yet, so she ain't full. I would imagine we're probably going to be good between oil changes. But I just want to show you guys how we had it set up with that hose coming all the way down. It's nice, clean. You can get to this very easily underneath here. You're just going to unbolt that right there. And then the hose just runs right up to the back of the valve cover. As you can see it going up along the firewall there, alongside the frame. There's your fuel lines. You guys are always questioning where these push connectors are. The push connector fittings for the fuel line, right there. And then we also have, you know, a vibrant fitting connection, push connector going into the vibrant nylon hose that you can get through Dirty Diesels. He pre-makes them if you want to bypass the fuel ball up there. But you only want to bypass that fuel ball if you have the cat filter set up like we do back there. I hope that shed some light on it. Hopefully I did it some justice, because I felt bad. I ended the video pretty abruptly. Definitely a very clean setup. Mishimoto makes high quality stuff. Check them out. As you know, I have the Mishimoto radiator thanks to our friend Doug Clennell. He had an extra one laying around, sent it to me. Doug's actually the guy that helped me with all these fittings, because I'm new to the AN world. I didn't know much about them, but it's actually quite easy once you get into it and you start learning. And that's what this channel's about, man. We're learning. And there's our Mishimoto intercooler. Check that guy out. It is massive, guys. When I tell you massive. And I'm always getting questions about my emblems, main event emblems. Check them out. They're our friends up north in Canada. They make some decent stuff, all custom. Whatever you guys want, they got you. Now let's get back over to the wife, because we're going to do something to protect this screen. Actually purchased this item from Amazon, so we're going to give her a test. It's made in China, guys, but not everything in China is bad. You know, it's a cheap solution. This is tempered glass, so I wanted to go with something with a little bit added protection. You shouldn't be punching this and finger popping it. You shouldn't be finger popping it to the point where you're going to break this tempered glass. What?
You were making fun of me saying diddle, and you're saying finger popping.
Well, I mean, I don't know. So we're gonna clean the screen really good. We're gonna open this packaging and see what the instructions say, and then we're gonna install it.
These are just characteristics. It's not instructions.
Oh, what are the characteristics?
It's a 9H hardness, anti-scratch, knife scratch will not flow marks, bending strength, can be folded into a U shape.
What? Without breaking? That's insane.
HD transparent, 99% light transmittance with explosion proof.
Explosion?
It does not say explosion. It says explosion.
Explosion. If you guys know what that means, comment below.
Broken into powder.
Oh, we don't want to break into powder.
Anti-fingerprint, waterproof, anti-oil, environmental protection, grease-proof, automatic fit, bubble-free.
Ooh, bubble-free. We're all about that bubble-free life. But listen, seriously, it comes in a nice, decent package.
Yeah.
You know, it's not. It's cheap, guys. I mean, I think I paid less than 20 bucks for this, but hey, the 20 bucks works since the wife lost the. She had the protective plastic on it here from the I guess the manufacturer forever. Then one day she opened the windows, it went airborne. It flew right off. These instructions have pictures. Gloves. They got pictures. Do we have gloves? All right, step one.
Compare the film and screen.
Okay, let's pull the screen out and compare it to that.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Installation tools. Number 1. Plastic suck.
Plastic suck.
Oh my gosh. Microfiber cleaning cloth, alcohol prep pad, dust removal stickers.
Okay.
Plastic suck.
Plastic suck. That's the plastic suck, guys. See, you thought I was bad about finger plucking and poking and
yeah.
See, it comes with pictures, and it also has instructions there too in case you lose these, I guess. This is a one-time show though, guys. We only got one. So if we check this out the first time, we're done.
All right, so let's compare.
So that's the top. Oh, dude, it's like
Edge to edge to edge to edge.
It's perfectly aligns with the screen. So,
okay.
All right, hold on. Let's gotta take this off.
Step 2, wipe the screen with an alcohol wipe. But I guess you want to do this.
Did it come with alcohol?
It did.
Let me do this first. We're gonna do a little spritz with some window cleaner, and then we're going to wipe everything down with alcohol cloth. So we can't have any bubbles. And this is a brand new microfiber towel. We didn't skimp out for your install head.
Sweet.
All right, let's rub it down with some alcohol. Installation auxiliary tools.
Alcohol prep pad.
Oh, okay. Oh, then we have, there's a little microfiber in there. Okay.
Look at that.
Would you just look at it? Look at it, guys.
Fingers aren't working.
Should I be doing this?
I don't know. Don't finger pluck it.
Heather keeps looking back at the display screen, even though it's centered right here, so you know, if your hands are right here, you're good. She's like, shut up, Steve.
Pretty much.
Oh my God, what are you doing? Do you need me to do this?
I have a brain injury.
What the hell are you doing? You're struggling. Note to self, do not have wife that has brain injury assist you with an install. Nah, just kidding. She's doing fine. Just make sure with these, make sure you get the corners really good because that's where the dust collects.
I will finger pluck the sides.
You're gonna finger pluck the sides. Are you gonna diddle it?
I'm diddling the corners.
Are you diddling the corners? All right. So what's next?
Step 3, wipe dry with a lint-free cloth.
That would be your, yeah. Sealed for your protection. Oh, these are the dust
We didn't
removers.
get there yet. Don't.
I know, but that's what they are.
But don't. They go over here.
Oh my goodness.
No.
Get all that dust.
All right. Wait.
Okay, so it looks the screen looks very clean. It looks to be dust free. I think we're good. What's next?
Use the dust removal stickers to clean the surface.
I think we don't need to clean the surface. There's no dust on there. The one good thing, guys, I think if you have an older car, you would have to worry about that. But this car is like brand new, so the screen was very clean. We don't need to use any of that. I would stop.
You don't see that stuff right there?
Oh yeah, I do see that.
Oh.
Okay, make me look like an idiot. How the heck did you see that?
You saw it there, right?
There's one right there. Right there. You missed it. Yeah.
Use a suction cup to hold a corner to pinpoint the position. Squeeze the suction cup hard. Can't be hard, pull down to avoid damage to the glass film.
I almost think you'd want it centered, but okay.
They have it in this corner.
So you want to go, see this side's going to go on there, so you want to put it on this side.
Hard, but not too hard.
Okay, now what?
Just so that you guys know, if the installation fails and you want to try it again for free, all you have to do is contact them.
Yeah, we're going to contact China. So peel this backing off.
Legit, it just says use a suction cup to hold a corner, and then number 6, finished.
Okay. All right, so we're going to peel the backing off. And this is the part that's going to stick to the truck. Here, you want to put your hand underneath of it? Yeah, there you go. Thank you. And now we sort of got to guide this on. Oh my God, I feel like I'm going to lose it. Okay, thanks. Help. Sort of guide that onto the bottom.
Move your big old finger.
Wait, watch it. Are we straight? Oh, it's going. Is that straight?
Yeah.
All right, guys, look at that. Would you just look at it? It's spreading.
Oh yeah, look at it. That's so cool.
But we got a big bubble right in the middle.
Yeah, we do.
Let's see if I can push it. Nope. Nope, it's not coming. Hold on.
Yes, it is.
You're pushing it all the way out. Just right there.
There's one there, there's one there, and there's one there.
Hold on, don't touch. Let it go.
Let it go.
Looks like there's dust there. Is that on the outside or inside? Oh, no, it's on the outside. I think we got it. That little bubble there, but I think we got it. I think we can pull this off. Okay.
Can I wipe it down?
And now you can like sort of, yeah, push that bubble out first though. There you go. Wow, that looks good. And it fits perfectly, guys. I mean, it's perfect. Work from your middle out. There you go, yep.
I was doing a sunbeam.
Okay, you can do a sunbeam. Man, that's perfect. We got it for less than 20 bucks.
Whoop, whoop.
The information for this screen protector will be in the description below. It fits perfectly for the 2019 Rams.
So easy, you can even do it with a little bit of a brain issue. All right.
I think that's really cool, Head. Look at that. It looks like there's no screen protector there at all.
No.
You can see like a little bit of line, but you want it to be a little bit smaller than the actual width. It's perfect. Oh, excuse me. It's perfect. Are you happy?
I am, thank you.
You happy?
Mm-hmm.
Does it make your brain feel better?
No.
This isn't funny, but I mean, your brain thing's not funny, but
We're that cup. We know when to take things serious, but sometimes you just have to make light of situations.
all right. Well, we'll keep you guys posted on this and how it works. But so far, we're very happy.
Yeah, we did good.
Yeah, I'm happy for. I mean, I believe it's less than 20 bucks. I ordered this a while ago, and I finally just got around to installing it. So, yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, I do. I like it.
You happy you got your screen protector again?
I'm happy I have my screen protector. I got my Pro Clips USA mount. Hashtag mount something. And I'm good to go.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash tap. Diddle. That subscribe. What?
Finger pluck.
Finger poke. That subscribe button. What?
Pluck. Sometimes
Poke?
if you say it fast, they might think you're saying
Oh yeah,
something
no,
else.
we don't know.
So subscribe.
No demonetization on this channel. All right.
It's not our scene anyway.
All right, guys. We love you. We'll see you on the next upload.